Okay, I've had this top for a long time now, but I've not been able to wear it because I don't like the fitting. So now I'm going to show you how you can turn a simple tee into a drawstring ranch crop top. So let's do this. Welcome back to my channel. So first I'm just going to use a top that I like the fitting to trace out the size of this outfit. So what I'm going to do now, virtually I'm going to leave 1 inch sewing allowance. That's I'm giving a space from the actual top that's going to serve as the sewing allowance. So that's what I'm doing. I'm cutting out a box shape as the base for this top. So just look at it closely. This is a beginner friendly video tutorial, so you don't need any sort of measurements. Just follow me step by step. So this is the box shape. Next I'll just quickly fold in the top and the downside of this top. So before that I want to measure the pockets where the strings are going to be fitted in. So I'm using width 1.5 inch. So just know that you're gonna just take proper care of your material, because I'm using every piece of fabric on this shirt to make this tutorial. So make sure you economize every part you see in this in your own material. So now I'm going to use this to cut out 3. So now I'm looking for extra 1 to make it 4, because we need 4 of this to form the 4 strings. So just be watching. So this is what is going to serve as the pockets for the straps that I'm going to put on this top. Quickly, if today is your first time on channel, please just hit the subscribe button right now for more DIY videos. I have so many videos already, so you can just go through my channel and pick out the ones that you want to see, and don't forget to give a thumbs up. So this is the folding. Fold both the top and down. Now I'm going to fold in 2. I'm taking 4 inch from the middle. After folding, I'm going to arrange where the strings is going to be. So make sure you can make yours 4.5 inch or 5 inch, but I prefer 4 inch, so it's optional. So now I'm going to place it at the top of where I marked the 4 inch from the middle point. Adjust the edge. So this is it. Now I'm going to match the top into 3 parts. So make sure you do it into 3 parts. 1, 2, and then the middle like this. So I'm going to do this for this one and the other part of this top. So this is gonna look like after matching the top 3 times. So this is where I'm going to put in the strap. So next I'm just going to sew down both sides of this top just like that, and then turn. This is it. So now it's so simple, it's ready for the strings. But before then, I'm just going to use this piece of fabric. I told you every fabric is going to be used. So I'm going to cut out 1 inch of this and then join and join and join until I get the length of strap that I want. So the whole idea is that you're going to use every piece of fabric, so don't get it twisted. This is the fun part of this whole tutorial, because it's so simple. So now I'm just going to cut, join, and then fold to give it this beautiful finish. So that's what I'm doing here. This is how it turns out. See, I have so much strap to work with, so you can make it as long as your fabric can allow you to. So I'm going to make sure I have into equal 4 parts, because I need 2 on each side. So this is it. Now I'm going to fix it in. So this is going to serve as the shoulder strap, and then the drawstring, so it needs to be long. You need to try as much as to make it long. Now I'm just going to use safety pin, so watch closely on how I'm fixing this, because this is very important. Just take it from the down and then use your safety pin to pull it to the very top. Take your time with this, just keep pushing the safety pin till it comes out in the other hole. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up and remember to share to your friends so that they too can learn how to do this. So all you need to do now next is just turn it to the other side, equal opposite sides. Make sure that equal opposite side, because we are fixing in 2 straps on one side. So take notes. So now ruler, we have fixed the first one. This is how it's gonna look like. So this extra is 6 inch. So now we're going to fix in the rest. And this is it after fixing all 4 straps. So now you can push it to form the ruch and then tie. So the extra inch at the top is for your shoulder, it's a strap for your shoulder, and it's 6 inch. You can make your 7, depends on how you want the depth of the neck to be like. So this is it, guys. Hope you enjoy this tutorial. It's so simple, so easy, and if you enjoy it so much, why not share with your friends and then give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here today my channel, please subscribe down below and leave me a comment. Thanks, bye for now.